Welcome to our channel. Let's unlock your Apple ID password quickly and get you back to your Apple world without stress. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to recover your Apple ID password quickly and securely. Losing access to your Apple ID can be frustrating, but with the simple methods we'll share, you'll be able to regain control in no time. Step 1. Start by opening your device and navigate to the Apple ID sign-in page. Usually, this can be found in the settings under your name, or when trying to sign into the App Store or iCloud. Step 2. Click on the Forgot Apple ID or Password option. This will take you to the recovery page, where Apple begins the password reset process. Step 3. Enter the email address associated with your Apple ID. Make sure this is the exact email you registered with Apple. Step 4. After entering your email, choose the method you want to use to reset your password. Apple provides options such as receiving a recovery email, answering security questions, or using two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. Step 5. If you select email recovery, check your inbox for an email from Apple. Follow the link provided in the email carefully. This link will direct you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Step 6. When choosing a new password, make sure it is strong and unique. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable passwords like password 123 or your birth date. Step 7. If you use two-factor authentication, Apple will send a verification code to your trusted device or phone number. Enter this code to verify your identity and proceed with resetting your password. Step 8. In case you don't have access to your trusted devices or email, you can use the account recovery option, which may take several days, but ensures your account security. Step 9. Always update your password on all your devices to avoid being locked out again. Step 10. To keep your account safe in the future, consider updating your recovery information regularly, including your trusted phone numbers and email addresses. Following these easy steps will help you recover your Apple ID password quickly and get you back to enjoying your Apple services without interruption. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video so you won't miss any of our helpful tech tips and tricks.